my channel. My name is Olga and I'm a fashion photographer located in Sacramento. Today we're stepping into the world of winter magic where fashion meets frost and every look tells a story of ice, breeze, beauty and celebration. It's gonna be a two-look photoshoot. First one will be inspired by celebration, glam, beauty, a lot of sparkles. And second look is frozen couture. It's inspired by chill of frozenness morning, snow around, beauty of winter. It's cold outside, but it's fashionable. Let's dive in. I'm gonna use Photo Octa 4 inches with a grid on it, and as a rim light, I'm gonna have two soft boxes from the back. Loves it. Perfect. You don't need to move so much. You can be staying, and I'm gonna move the camera. So. Then kind of it this way more. Here, perfect. Okay. Grab glass. Yes, love that. Let me introduce you my model, Diana. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you so much for inviting. It's a pleasure to work with you. I love it.
Thank you, thank you. And we're so excited. Today we're gonna have two-look photo shoot. This is the first look, full glam party girl, New Year vibe, and second look will be some frosty look. So let's do this. Love it. Let me introduce you my amazing makeup, Eugenia. Thank you so much for creating those beautiful looks. What was inspire you?
I was inspired by upcoming winter. Let's create some frosting angel look. Look at her. She looks like Victoria Angel model.
She is.
Thank you.
For the second look, we going some winter where fashion meets the frost. The model was cold outside, so she has this frosty eyelashes, little bit blush that like we're trying to warm her up with all this beautiful furry coat. Are you warm?
Yeah, it's really warm.
Oh, I love this look a lot. So we're ready for
some winter.
Yes, we're ready for winter. Yes. Oh my God, this is so cute. Love this. And you like warm up yourself? Yes. Perfect. Love it. Yay. Yes, close your eyes. Yes. Beautiful. And open your eyes. Yes. Your finger closer to you. Perfect. Stay there for a second. Oh, yes. And eyes on me. To create snowy look, I got this snow spray from Amazon. Look at that. It's snowy and I create a lot of mess in my studio.
It's cold. It's real.
It's a real snow. So here we have 3 types of snow. Puffy one, dry one, spray one. What kind of snow you need? Okay, and 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Yes. Oh! You kind of like this with your hair. Yes. Oh my God! Stop! Okay. So you're happy, you're ready to skate. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, and it's super snowy. Yes, and give me the look in the camera. Yes. Love this. And how about you like? So now we're gonna blow snow. Okay, let's put those. Or maybe hold it in one hand and put your hand like this. Like, yeah, kind of like on it. On it like that. Perfect, that's it. And with another hand, you will be like, yes. Ooh, it's snowy. Have a lot of snow here. Okay, and 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. And I will give you more snow, so you can do with 2 hands now. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Love it. Perfect. Yes. That's so beautiful. Yes. Perfect. Give me the okay, on 3. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, eyes on me. Yes, perfect. Yes. Oh yes. Oh my God, girl. Yes, do it, do it, do it. Yes. In the nose left. Yes. That was my dream photo shoot from Monday, or when I start dreaming about it. Perfect. This is so cute. Give me the look. Yeah, love it. Yes. Yay. Perfect. Oh my God, girl. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. That's so fun. Yes, that's so good. You see? Perfect. Perfect. Come your hand closer to you. Yes. Perfect. Love it. And put like hand like this. Yes, warm up. Yes. And that's a wrap. Thank you. We did it. Thank you for being an amazing model.
Thank you so much.
What was your favorite look?
I believe this one.
This one?
This is my favorite, like because it's my hobby and I love to
Olga style. It was snowy and it was
Cold?
skaty.
I love it. And thank you so much, Zhenichka. Come in here. Thank you so much
You're very welcome. As always. We enjoyed the photo shoot and everything turned out so good.
Awesome. What look was your favorite? Glam one or frozen couture? If you like content like that, please hit a like, subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you in next one.